As the blessed month of Ramadan approaches, we stand on the threshold of spiritual rejuvenation. But how do we prepare ourselves to make the most of this sacred time? This Ramadan, join us on a journey unlike any other. Welcome to Prophet's Guidance, where we delve into the depths of our faith to prepare for this holiest of months like never before. Our daily Quran reading routine will not only deepen our connection with the divine words but also illuminate our hearts with its timeless wisdom. Each day, we will embark on a voyage of self-discovery, guided by the luminous teachings of the Quran. Together, we will embrace the transformative power of the Quran, finding solace, guidance, and inspiration in its verses. Through reflection and contemplation, we will embark on a journey of spiritual growth and renewal. So, are you ready to embark on this enlightening journey? Prepare for Ramadan like never before with our daily Quran reading routine. Stay tuned to Prophet's Guidance for daily doses of divine wisdom. Ramadan awaits, and together, we shall embrace its blessings with open hearts and illuminated souls. Subscribe now and let's make this Ramadan truly unforgettable.